So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max black screen would not turn on. Here how to fix it. So guys, if you face such type of issues that your screen is not turning on, so guys, first of all you try to force start your iPhone. So guys, for force restart your phone, first of all you press your volume up button and then down button and again press the power button more than 10 seconds and until you see the Apple logo. Okay, so you wait and here you see my display is turned off and it shows the Apple logo. It's mean my reset process has begun. Okay, so this is the way to force restart your iPhone and check the problem is resolved or not. If the problem still having same issue, so guys, you try to move to another step. So guys, another step is check battery status. So guys, if your battery is drained, so it might be not showing any visual indicator. So connect your iPhone to a charger and let it to the charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. After charging, try to turning it on again and performing the force restart and describe that I'm already described above. Okay, then you move to the another step. So guys, another step is guys, you check the brightness adjustment. Maybe you are doing the brightness very low, so you are unable to seeing the things. So you also try to increase your brightness, so which help you to check the problem still the display and the device. Okay, and the last option is you try to check your calling sensor. So guys, here is the calling sensor. So here, so this part, so make sure this area is clean and it is not be in contact of any object and anything that covered this area. Okay, if you are using the things and extra accessory supplies, try to remove from here and also clean it. Okay, sometimes the calling sensor work because some of application working in the background and the calling sensor is activate and it's not turning on the display. So I also clean this area. Okay, and if the problem still persists, then guys you need to contact with the support team. They will be provide a better solution and troubleshooting step. For contacting the support team, open any browser by the same device and you are using any another device, where you go to the website of getsupport.apple.com. Here you choose your iPhone. After choosing your iPhone, you tap on the device performance. In the device performance, unexpected shutdown and restart. And you also choose screen or the display quality and performance. So we are choosing the unexpected shutdown or restart. Okay, so we are device frozen and responsive is sounds good, so we are choosing this. So first solution they suggest us to restart, so we are already done it. Then repair option, so you find the location and you also read some article, and this is the way to contact with the support team. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.